Hey guys, this is Josh here, and as we know guys, this is Chris' channel, and from now on he and I will be collaborating and we'll be doing tech reviews. And for today's video guys, is I'm going to give you my review of the LG V50 ThinQ in mid 2022. As you know, this is an old flagship. You can search the specs guys of the LG V50 ThinQ. I will be talking about those important stuff. Okay, so first is the design. So this LG V50 ThinQ guys, when it comes to the design, I can say that in mid 2022 this one is still a very good phone. Yes, it has curved bezels on the sides, and then at the back it is made of glass, and also in front. So when it comes to the design guys, for me it's a yes. And then as we know that it has a Snapdragon processor, and when I do gaming guys, I have no problem at all. So when it comes to Mobile Legends, this one is still a very great phone, very capable phone guys. So if you buy this phone for gaming, then I can say you'll never go wrong. Okay, when it comes to the battery, it can last guys for around 3 to 4 hours of gaming, and with a mild to moderate usage, it can really last you for a day. Yes, but for heavy usage guys, you can play for around 4 or 3 to 4 hours extensive gaming. And then the camera guys, it is still very much capable in 2022. Yes, I can still get good and decent shots from this camera. And then an important thing guys is this LG V50 ThinQ. It runs already with Android 12. Yes, it has already an Android 12 operating system. Can you imagine guys? So although LG has already announced that they will no longer sell smartphones, but they still support this product for Android 12. And then when it comes also to the pricing, you can get this device guys, or you can get this phone for around $150, or that's around 7,000 to 8,000 pesos. Alright, so I'll linking down guys the shop in which I bought this LG V50 ThinQ. Alright guys, so please let me know about your thoughts about this phone in mid 2022, and if you have it, let me know if it's still worth it. Okay, but for me guys, my verdict, this is still a very capable phone, and it is still really superb in 2022. Okay, so if you like this video guys, kindly click the like and also consider subscribing to our channel. And this is Josh guys, and also with Chris, and I will see you again on our next video.